This technical short video is brought to you by Dave Kameen, VP of Marketing for JPS Interoperability Solutions.
Now let's talk about the cross-connected mode for the Z2. This is where you act just like a repeater. On the left side we have channel 1, on the right side we have channel 2. They're both local inputs. In this case they're both radios, so anything received on the channel 1 will be transmitted on channel 2, and anything received on channel 2 will be transmitted on channel 1. The RSP-Z2 acts like a repeater. When either side cores, the other side keys and audio is passed through. Here's a simple diagram of what happens. On the left we have radio 1, and on the right we have radio 2. We see a core on the left and we see a PTT on the right. We have an example of the LEDs and how they'll look on the front of the Z2. Core on the left, PTT on the right, audio goes from the left to the right. Here we have the pictorial of the choices for channel 1 and channel 2. Of course it's RoIP, RTP, radio, SIP, and USB headset. And on the right we have the same choices. If we wanted to do a protocol conversion, we could do that. We could select RTP on the left, for example, and select SIP on the right, and that would convert RTP to SIP for whatever your purposes require. And so the Z2 can be a protocol converter, or it can be a repeater for radios, or it can be both. It can interface radio traffic into RoIP, SIP, or RTP and transport that elsewhere for use with either JPS equipment or other hardware. Here's a simple block diagram of what we saw. 2 radios, each connected to the DB15s on the back. One cores, the other keys.
Sometimes it's tough to see through the haze and fog of a product search for what you really need. You look straining, but so many vendors state best in breed, lowest price, best quality, best communications, customer loyalty, etc., etc., etc. Your solution is just around the corner, but not quite within your reach. Until now, JPS Interoperability Solutions RSP-Z2 is the answer to your search. This versatile VoIP to analog interface allows a radio, pair of radios, or a radio and a PSTN connection to be patched together and or remotely interfaced to other devices or to a dispatch capability via various common protocols using JPS RoIP, SIP, or RTP. And for best in breed, lowest price, best quality, best communications, customer loyalty, etc., 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 we leave that up to our customers to tell you. All we say is our products do what we tell you, last forever, and if you need help, it's just a call or email away.